What are you doing? God. Hi. I'm trying to film a skit, Cotton. Okay, I gotta pick a different place. Alright, so since the cat's being a butt, I've got to film it in my chair at my desk instead of on my bed where I'd originally planned, so that's cool. So here I am in this behind the scenes of that skit that I uploaded. Going down the stairs right now. It sucks. Let's hope I don't fall. I did not fall. Woo. Alright, so I'm gonna make some food. Gonna make some ramen, because if you've seen any of my live streams on my Instagram, that is all I do. So let's make it into video form. So we have like 3 to choose from. Well, technically two, because one of these is my mom's. So so we have this green one, which is that, and this pink one, which is shrimp. So that's awesome. I'm gonna make the shrimp one. So it's currently 5 o'clock, so I'm just making ramen at 5 o'clock. I probably should wait, because my mom's gonna get home soon and make me dinner, so that's... Never mind about the ramen thing. Find some of my other cats. I think one of them was outside, but we can probably find another. Great, there are no cats out here. There are cats out here? Who knows? Find out in the next episode. Yep, here's a cat. Wow, the lighting sucks. That's a cat.